Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and install and configure Streamlabs on Windows. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So let's just get straight into the video. First of all, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open Google Chrome and simply search for Streamlabs. Finally, go ahead and click on the first link that pops up. And now go ahead and click on Streamlabs desktop right over here. Finally, it's going to go ahead and download your setup, and once you've downloaded the setup, double click on it, click on yes, and you can go ahead and agree their terms and services and install. It's going to take a little bit of time, however it's going to install immediately. As you can see, now it's installed. Simply go ahead and click on finish and it should run on your PC. Now in order for you to go ahead and configure or set it up, it's going to be a very simple process. I'm going to go ahead and teach you the basics. So you need to know whether you want to just record or live stream. It's not going to matter, to be honest, because you can also go ahead and record your live streams as well. So I prefer choosing live streaming and click on OK. Here you can simply go ahead and create your ID. I'm going to just go ahead and skip it for now. And here you can also import from your OBS Studio if you are using OBS Studio, or even your Twitch Studio, or you could start fresh. I'm going to click on start fresh. It's going to go ahead and let you to select your OBS virtual webcam or webcam in general, whatever you have connected, microphone as well, and also visual presets if you want to go ahead and add any. However, I don't prefer any. Click on continue. You can also get other themes right over here. I don't need any of that. And click on choose free. Finally, this is going to be your canvas right over here. On the left hand side, there's going to be a tab called scenes. In the scenes tab inside, you can go ahead and add multiple things. So for example, something like display capture right over here inside the scene. And also, for example, let's say your video capture, which could be your webcam, right? For example. So let me just say that and see, there's going to be a webcam tab. You could just go ahead and add that as well. You could also add other things like your audio input, your images, or even instant replayers and image slideshows, text, anything that you want to go ahead and add. You have the option to go ahead and do that. And what this scenes tab is going to do that is that if you go ahead and add another scenes, you can go ahead and make this completely different, and you can switch between the scenes while you're streaming. So that is the reason why there are going to be scenes, right? So for example, if you want to show your game on one scene and just your face on another scene, you can go ahead and do that. On this gear tab, which is going to be settings, you can also go ahead and set up where you want to go ahead and stream exactly, and it's also going to go ahead and let you add your stream key. There's also going to be virtual webcams if you want to go ahead and install that. There's going to be game overlays right over here that you can go ahead and enable. On output, you can simply set up whether you want to go ahead and output on advanced mode or simple mode. So on advanced mode, you could go ahead and change your rate control. It could be VBR, CBR. I normally prefer CBR because CBR is constant bitrate. And on bitrates, if you're recording on 1920 by 1080, I would recommend you to go ahead and have 45 to 5000 bitrate. If your computer can't handle that, you can also settle on 3500 right over here. And simply on CPU usage, you can make it ultra fast as well. It just depends on how good your computer is. On video settings, you can go ahead and choose whether you want to output it on 1920 by 1080 or even 4K if you want to go ahead and do that. Your FPS values can be changed from here. I normally prefer common FPS values rather than integer. So that is that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and see you on the next one.